Today, I'm sharing a super easy DIY skincare hack that help brighten, smooth, and revive tired skin. Quick, affordable, and seriously glow boosting. Start with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Add 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Then, slice of lemon. Mix everything well until smooth. Your glow boosting face mask is ready. This simple DIY blend of aloe vera gel, almond oil, and lemon works as a powerful skin repairing treatment. Aloe vera gel deeply hydrates and softens without feeling greasy, while almond oil nourish, soften, and help improve the look of dark circle. Lemon adds a natural brightening boost to refresh the dull skin. Together, they help improve skin texture, restore moisture, and reveal a smoother, more radiant glow. Use it regularly and glow naturally.